Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to make a manual repayment on Fundbox. Do you want to pay off your Fundbox loan before the auto draft date, or maybe you just want more control over your payments? In this guide, you're going to learn how to make a manual repayment anytime you choose. So let's get into it. Now the first step is to log into Fundbox. So visit fundbox.com and log into your dashboard using your email address and password. Once you're in, step 2 is to go to the repayment section. So from the navigation menu, you're just going to click on repayments, or you can find your current draw in the activity tab. Next is to select the active loan or draw. So go ahead and click the draw that you want to repay manually. You're going to see repayment details, including exactly how much is left. Next, click make a payment or repay early. Fundbox usually provides a make a payment button if your loan is eligible for early or manual repayment. Once you have that, the next step is to enter the amount. So you can choose to pay off the full balance or just a portion of it. So go ahead and enter your desired amount. Next step is to confirm the bank account. Choose which linked accounts that the funds should come from, but you got to make sure that there are sufficient funds in said accounts. The last step is to submit and confirm. So click submit payments and wait for confirmation. Fundbox will process it within 1 to 2 business days. Now, a couple of pro tips for you guys. The first is to manual payments can help you to save on fees or interest if you repay early. So it's a good idea to do that so you can save yourself on some bit of extra cash. The next is to check if your plan has an early repayment benefits. Some plans come with early repayment benefits, and if yours has it, then you want to take advantage of that so you can gain a lot back. Now that you know how to take charge of your repayments, it's all well and good. Be sure to do that so you can benefit. And hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more Fundbox tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.